Hi guys, you're very welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the Mega Millions draw. The jackpot is climbing to an estimated $418 million. But what are your chances of winning it? And should you buy an extra couple of tickets? Should you stay away from it altogether? Let's get stuck in to see what are the chances of actually winning the Mega Millions draw. Now there's no doubt about it that if you did win it would make a huge difference, but is there any chance that you could win it? Or are you just wasting your time? Or is it just an interest bet? Are there people out there who are professional Mega Millions draw players? Let's dive into it and see. So, the jackpot for the Mega Millions lottery climbed to an estimated $418 million, the fourth largest in the game's history, after no tickets matched all 6 numbers during Tuesday's grand prize drawing, lottery officials said. The numbers drawn on Tuesday were 1, 42, 64, 47, 70 and the Mega Ball was 22. Lottery players will have another chance to strike a rich on Wednesday when the Powerball holds its next drawing for an estimated $440 million, with a cash value of $278 million. The amount marks the 9th largest jackpot in the game's history, according to the figures of the Powerball website. Now the odds of a single ticket matching all 6 numbers in the Powerball are 292 million to 1, according to the Multi-State Lottery Association. No one has hit the Powerball jackpot since October 25th, when a player in Louisiana won 191 million jackpot, the game said. No one has won the Mega Millions jackpot since October 13th, when 42 million was shared by winners in Michigan and Rhode Island. The estimated 480 million prize, with a cash value of $278 million, will be up for grabs when the next Mega Millions drawing is held on Friday. The odds of hitting the Mega Millions jackpot are 303 million to 1. The cash value figures of both games are estimated totals if a winner selects one lump sum payment rather than the option of taking annual payments. Both estimated totals are before any taxes are asserted. The Mega Millions lottery is offered in 44 US states, the Washington DC and the US Virgin Islands. Powerball tickets are sold in 44 states. The largest Powerball jackpot was 1.6 billion payout split among winners in California, Florida and Tennessee in January 16. The largest Mega Millions jackpot of 656 million was won in 2012. But before you start salivating at the thoughts of those lovely figures, don't quit your day job just yet. As I say, the odds of winning one of the jackpots is roughly around 260 million to 1 for Mega Millions and 1 in 292 million for the Powerball. And the chances of winning both, for those of you thinking really big, roughly 1 in 75 quadrillion. That's 15 zeros, according to data scientists in Allstate. To understand how unlikely these are, it's worth comparing them to the probability of other unlikely events. People are much more likely to get struck by lightning, which has a 13,500 to 1, or die in a car accident, which has, it's a bit grim, 1 in 645. While the old lottery campaign, you've got to be in it to win it, holds true, like somebody has to win this, the real value in buying a ticket may simply be just enjoying and the dream of winning big. And that's really it. The Powerball website announced Thursday that no winning ticket had been sold. The estimated top prize for the next draw, as I say, on Friday or Saturday night, is 384 million. The cash prize then is 249 million. The average American spends about $200 a year on lottery tickets, though residents of some states spend far more. According to a study, the average Massachusetts resident spends $735 annually on lottery tickets. Rhode Islanders plop down to $514 a year, and if you live in Delaware or New York, you're likely spending about $400 a year or $33 a month on Powerball. So the odds of winning the Powerball jackpot, as I say, are 1 in almost 300 million to 1. That's about the same as flipping a coin and getting the same result, heads or tails, 28 times in a row, according to the Associated Press. But here's some other things that probably won't happen to you, but are still more likely than winning Powerball's grand prize. The odds of dating a supermodel are about 1 in 88,000, according to George Baer, author of Life the Odds. The odds that the person you're dating is a millionaire is 1 in 216. The chances you'll achieve sainthood is 1 in 20 million. The likelihood of having conjoined twins is about 1 in 200,000. The odds of being struck by lightning in your lifetime, provided you live for 80 years, are 1 in 13,500. The odds of an amateur golfer hitting a hole-in-one on a par 3 are 1 in 12,500, according to the National Hole-in-One Association. There's actually an association for this. Great stuff. Which has tracked data through the hole-in-one insurance and prize insurance plans it offers. The odds of two amateurs in the same foursome sinking a hole-in-one in the same par 3 hole is 1 in 26 million, according to the association. So that's still way below than you winning the Powerball. The odds of being dealt a royal flush in poker are 1 in 649,000, according to a mathematician at Central Washington University. You're also more likely to suffer some sort of unusual death. There's quite a long history of strange ways to perish that are more likely than winning the Powerball jackpot. And here's a few. The odds of being killed by an asteroid impact, 1 in 80 million. The likelihood of being killed in a shark attack is 1 in 8 million. Death via legal execution is 1 in 150,000. Thankfully, you're more likely to win the Powerball jackpot than to be hit by a piece of satellite debris that falls from space. The odds of such an unfortunate event are about 1 in 21 trillion, and that's according to NASA. They know something about figures. So guys, basically, if you're playing the Powerball, play responsibly, don't go too wild, and don't be upset if you don't win it. And if you do win it, don't forget your old friend Mark here. Send me on a few bob. I could do with it. That's only joking. So guys, that's a bit of lightheartedness for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments down below. Have you got any knacks to playing the Powerball? Or what's your favourite game to play? Do you play it often? Leave a few comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I say guys. And I'll stick a couple of other videos. I think you'll enjoy them. Check them out. And let's be careful out there guys, and go easy on buying those tickets. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.